Hey everyone, Jeep Momma here, and I'm getting ready to test out a new product. The company Lithium reached out to me because they noticed I was having a hard time maintaining the natural color of my plastic fenders. I was having a hard time. I would get wax on them. I couldn't get the wax off. The mud from all the off-roading I do was staining the fenders. The sun was fading the natural color of the fenders. And I was trying product after product. Not only is it spring cleaning time, I'm gonna share some plastic fender Mythbusters. I was trying out home remedy after home remedy. I decided to try out the top 5 suggestions those Jeepers made to get that wax and grime off my fenders. A little Fender Mythbusters here. Those 5 items don't work. And I'm gonna share the videos in the description below. So the company sent me a bottle of their trim serum. And this is supposed to restore my plastic fenders back to factory color. So I'm going to test out this trim serum and see how it works. Step 1, wash the surface before applying the trim serum. Step 2, apply the trim serum to the surface in a circular motion and let it remain on the surface for several minutes, then buff dry. Step 3, allow the trim serum to cure for 6 to 12 hours before getting wet. Additional coats may be needed for severely damaged or faded plastic. Lithium's trim serum auto care product says it transforms weathered and oxidized trim, rubber and plastic in seconds. And I would agree with that 100%. Out of all the products I have used, trim serum right off the bat makes my plastic fenders look amazing. Trim serum is designed to penetrate and seal all the rubber and plastic trim surfaces to make them look new again. It also helps keep the rubber and plastic from drying out, cracking, and oxidizing. How long will it last? There is no trim protectant product that will last forever. The question is, which one will last the longest? Trim serum from the start made my plastic fenders look brand new. It's supposed to last for several months. The company says about 20 washes. However, as a Jeep owner, most don't even wash their Jeep that much in a lifetime. I will be at least washing off my fenders weekly to check how this product holds up. So far, 2 weeks and they still look great. The website link is in the description below, and they are offering a discount code for my Jeep Momma viewers. It's 20% off. The code is Jeep Momma 20. I buffed in the trim serum by Lithium to all 4 fenders using a microfiber cloth, and now I need to let it cure for 6 to 12 hours without getting wet, and then we're going to see how it looks. But right now they're so shiny and black, just like they came off the factory floor. I also did my hood latches, the door handles, my ruby rails, the mirrors, the trim inside the Jeep, and we'll see how it turns out. And then periodically you can check my blog, www.jeepmomma.com, where I will be doing updates every week so we can see how long the trim serum by Lithium works.